What's the difference that we're seeing today?
So the biggest difference is accountability today. In the past, insurance asked what controls you had. That's all they did. Today, they ask you to prove those controls exist. So in the past, it was just asking. Today, you actually need to prove that these controls are out there. If your application says MFA is enabled, they may ask for evidence. If your application says backups are tested, which is one of the biggest gaps, by the way, when we do audits, they may ask for documentation. If your application says employees receive security training, they may ask when the last training occurred. They may ask for proof that employees are doing it. They may ask for your phishing simulation test that you do on a regular basis. The industry moved from trust us to prove it. So that was the biggest thing that happened at the time, and it's been the trend. Posture, it looks like very similar to a mature cybersecurity program if people follow different cybersecurity programs. Insurance aren't asking organizations to be perfect. That's not really the goal, and that's not what they're looking for. They're asking organizations to demonstrate reasonable risk management. That's really what's going on there. And as you can see, MFA, endpoint protection, security awareness training, test, backup testing, incident response planning, vulnerability management, risk assessment. These are really the top 6, 7 things that you actually need to make sure you have in place and it's happening and it's verified. These are really, if you wanted to come up with a basic list, that would be the list to follow.
You mentioned several times that insurance and cybersecurity are becoming more connected. Is there anything available to help organizations navigate both?
Cyber Breach, for us, it was a program that we've developed as part of our security and compliance to help our clients. It was designed to help organizations strengthen their security posture while they simplify the cyber insurance process. And the goal, again, for the program is simple. We want to help our clients prepare before an incident and also recover faster if an incident ever occurs. So that's a big one for us.
That's extremely helpful, and that's great to know. And for anyone who is interested in learning more, we've included the website on the screen, and we'll also share it in the follow-up email after today's session.
Yeah, it's trueadvantage.com/cyber breach. You can go and take a look at it. It's a pretty powerful program.
All right. And for organizations looking for additional clarity, Kayvon, what would be the next step?
So as part of our thought leadership process, we also we offer something at the end for the prospects who want to get to know us a little bit more. We're offering a complimentary cyber insurance readiness review. The goal for us is not to sell fear or anything like that. The goal for us is to help business leaders understand where they stand today and what actions will reduce their risk tomorrow.